they have laundry. So today we're going to his mom to do laundry.
Yeah, our pipes are busted underneath the bathroom.
Yeah.
We have to turn the water off.
And then we can access of water right now because we turn off the meter and we don't have choice. So we go to his mom's house. And also we visit because we're been not visit for her anyway after the Christmas dinner. So today we have days and he has off. See you there. Temperature on the car right now it's -1 degrees. Degree or degrees? So guys, this is the update for today. This is the weather right now. You can see down there in the mountain, that trees, that's ice. If you can see better right there, but right now the other part, this side is melt now because the sun hits anyway. Yeah, but some of the trees is ice, and now right now in the ground is ice. Guys, that white down there, that's a river, and now it's frozen. I don't know if we can walk in the middle, but no, it's not good because it's not really icy yet, but it's frozen. We stopped to get breakfast in McDonald's before we go to his mom's house. Here in McDonald's. It's cold.
This will be the road. I'll take a.
This is what order. I order chicken, eggs, bacon, and cheese. And he got order. What you order? Chicken McGriddle. And I have coffee with drinks. And he's got pop. And we're at breakfast, guys, and we're on the way to our mom.
Are they coming?
No, we're good. And see you there. Let's eat. So bright. Look at the ground. The ground it's all white. Just cover of snow. And that's what. Guys, I'm back. So we are done now, but we got a lot of stuff bring back home. Mom gave us a lot of stuff, and now we are already done. And sorry I did not video down there because I just don't wanna
I don't think they would have minded.
Yeah,
like
but
Melissa's just shy.
yeah, I just shy because I'm never. And now we're on the way home. And see you at the house. See you there. And later it's gonna go back down. Hello guys, we are here now at the house. We're safe back home, and thank you for watching on my vlogs, and see you in my next vlog. Bye.